happening now. We go to church, sing a few words, and folks going home bound up and demon possessed. Going home messed up with the devil, and nobody seems to be concerned. Something is going wrong. And God's saying again, what about leadership? Why can't we lead? Well, the main ingredient for the fivefold was the Holy Ghost. Think about those of you in biology in school, and Pastor White can tell you, White Page can tell you, she's a teacher, and Sister Paula Murray, she can tell you, they teach in school. The main thing they tell you with biology and chemistry, that the cells were known as the building blocks of life. Inside the cell was something called the nuclei, or the nucleus. When it multiplied and multiplied, after a while, it starts splitting and dividing until it starts forming a whole unit. And don't you know, the problem with the church, something is wrong. Why aren't we multiplying? Why aren't we growing? Why aren't we divided? Because we don't have the right people in the right place in leadership. Hello, somebody. And because leadership is so out of context and so out of place, don't you realize we are putting people in that we like to be in, but they're not the ones that God called to be leaders. The character of leadership is this. We must realize Paul and the Bible makes it plain. Matthew, the four Gospels, denotes God governed the affairs of man. Four in typology, God governed the affairs of man. Show you, Matthew showed Jesus as a king in the genealogy of Christ. Luke showed him as the servant. Mark as a servant. Luke as the burden bearer. And John showed him God incarnate in the flesh. But there's another aspect to that. It showed the other aspect is the four parts and portraits of a leadership in the church. God showed the ox, the lion, the eagle, and the man. How the church was supposed to have a leader that was a visionary. The Bible said, without a vision, the people perish. We got people that are copying other people's vision to the point they got their own ideas. So what they do, they try to make it look